Hey guys, Zesty Gaming here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the differences between Minecraft Windows 10 and Minecraft Java Edition. By the end of this video, I'm not hoping to give you a set in stone fact of which one's better. I'm just hoping to give you just kind of a list of what's in what. So with that in mind, let's just start with Minecraft Windows 10 Edition. The first thing that I'm going to talk about in Minecraft Windows 10 Edition is the engine that the game runs on. The reason why the Minecraft Windows 10 Edition engine is better is because it was made by a team of programmers that were better trained than just one man making a whole backbone of an engine by himself. Also, there's a lot of sloppy coding that went into Minecraft Java Edition that really didn't optimize the game at all. It made it horrible to play sometimes. But because it was made by a professional team this time, there's no sloppy coding. So let's actually talk about the first thing within the engine that's better, and that's the way it's optimized. Worlds load faster, things render faster, things generate faster. It's just so much better, so much faster. Like, loading a world in Minecraft Java Edition takes maybe 30 seconds, but loading it in Windows Edition, almost instant. So if you're just flying around in Minecraft Java Edition going super fast, sooner or later you're gonna run into a chunk that's not loading properly, and it's just gonna be like there's gonna be nothing there. That will never happen to you in Minecraft Windows 10 Edition. Chunks always load. Like, you can't beat the chunk loading like you can in Java Edition. Everything in Minecraft Windows 10 Edition is just a lot more smooth. Like, the actual rendered field of view around you is a lot more smooth, moving's a lot more smooth, animations are a lot more smooth, particles are really smooth. Like, it's amazing how smooth they are. I actually really like the particles in Minecraft Windows 10 Edition. I'll talk about those more later. Just everything on the Minecraft Windows 10 Edition is so much more well optimized, so smooth. It's pretty much the only reason why I play the Minecraft Windows 10 Edition, other than the redstone, which I'll probably not talk about in this video. But if you want me to tell you stuff about Minecraft Windows 10 redstone, just leave a like and comment down below. So now I'm actually going to talk about the way the game actually looks, which there is a difference. Windows 10 Edition is a lot more pretty. There's a lot more variation in the way you look. So if you look down at the grass whenever you're flying, usually in Java Edition everything's just all bland, pixelated, but whenever you're flying up in Windows 10 Edition, there's just more diversity, just more colors in the ground. There's a lot of shading overlay on the actual ground that just makes everything look more smooth and pretty. I just love it. I also really like what they did with the water. Like, if you go into a swamp biome and you look at the water, it's all shaded to look all mucky, dirty, and I just like the way that looks. Like, it just adds another layer to the game that just really helps it out. Another thing that really makes Minecraft Windows 10 Edition look good is definitely the sky. Like, there's a dynamic sky in there, and if you look at the sun, the sky becomes so much bluer and just filled with colors. At night, like almost at dusk, whenever the sun is going down, you can see just a lot more purple and all that, and on sunrise you can see a lot more purple when you look at the sun. Just the sky looks amazing. So now that we have all those engine details and optimization details out of the way, I'm actually going to talk about land generation, which really stands out in Minecraft Windows 10 Edition with very subtle things. Like the fact that a lot more rivers get generated in the Minecraft Windows 10 Edition, and there aren't just a bunch of just random ponds, like tiny ponds that you always see in Minecraft Java Edition, just scattered around. Doesn't really look good, but they're there just so you can have water. But instead, in Minecraft Windows 10 Edition, they just decided to add in like really like long rivers that go through landscape, and it just looks amazing. The one thing that I really don't like about the generation in Minecraft Windows 10 Edition is everything looks all layered and fake, unlike the Java version where everything looks all random and natural. So now that I talked about all the technical things in Minecraft Windows 10 Edition, I'm actually going to talk about the features that are in it that are not in the Java Edition. So the most notable feature is definitely the fact that you can cross-platform. Not many games have done this lately, and I just think it's a good thing that they're actually doing this with Minecraft, because it's just a game where it's not competitive, but it's more working together within a community to just build stuff and be creative. So you might be saying, but they're adding in cross-platforming later on this year. Didn't you hear the Year 3 thing? Well, the thing is, like, that's not in the game right now, so I'm not going to talk about it. Other than the last comment, which is kind of counterproductive and hypocritical, so eh. So another feature which you might argue is just optimization is that mobs don't lag. So in the Java Edition, you punch a mob, it takes a few seconds to actually run away and like register that you hit it. But in Windows 10 Edition, you punch it and that sucker's gone, like you have to chase him. I don't really feel like talking about each individual block that's in the Windows 10 Edition that's not in the Minecraft like Java Edition, so I'm just going to list those on the screen right now. Do whatever you want with them, I don't really care. So the last feature, it's not really that notable, but I think it's like a cool concept, is falling over trees. So if you just walk around for a bit, you'll come across a tree where there's just one block standing up and then there's a bunch of blocks just laying down on the ground. Sometimes if you're lucky you'll find a mushroom on them, and I just think that adds some diversity to the game, that the game really needs. So that's all the Minecraft Windows 10 stuff. So now I'm going to go ahead and talk about the Java stuff, and let's just get straight into that. So the first thing that's better in Minecraft Java Edition is definitely the UI. It's just a much better UI. Like in Minecraft Windows 10 Edition, they have that crappy old UI for creative menu, and it's impossible to find anything. Like it took me a month to find out where the slime block is. Like I was seriously thinking that the slime block wasn't in Minecraft Windows 10 Edition at that point. And this right here is probably the main point where people will keep on playing the PC Java version, is definitely servers with plugins. Like seriously, no one wants to play on a server with no plugins. That's not fun. So while we're on the topic of plugins, let's go ahead and talk about mods, which are not in Windows 10 Edition, which is really going to kill it pretty much. Like, I don't see myself playing Windows 10 Edition unless they add mods, because I need that World Edit mod or plugin. Just hear me out. You just need to add in World Edit to the game, Mojang. If you're even watching this, just add in World Edit to the game. And if you're from Mojang, you might be saying, well, we added in the new block where you can like copy and paste stuff. That's not World Edit. That's too hard. I want that simple / set and / paste. And while we're on that subject about the block, let's talk about command blocks. Like, I don't see these being added in Windows 10 Edition, but they are really useful, and I would really love to see them in there. And the one thing that the Windows 10 Edition really has wrong is the options. Like, there's not enough options. I like to customize my game, optimize my game. I just want to see more options that I can mess with. And while we're on the topic about customizing the game, I'd really like to see texture packs that you don't have to pay for. For God's sake, Microsoft, we don't have to pay for freaking everything. We already gave you the money for the game. And while we're on the subject about Microsoft being money-grabbing whores, let's talk about add-ons. Like, seriously, they're trying to add in add-ons to Minecraft Windows 10 Pocket Edition, which is pretty much mods that you have to pay for, which is horrible. That defeats the purpose of the game. The point of the game is that you can do anything in your own imagination. So, can we stop with that? And the one thing that everyone else will argue is faster updates. I don't really see that as a good thing, because you're kind of the guinea pig of the game. You get all the freaking glitches, bugs, and all that, but the upper levels, like the Windows 10 Edition and Pocket Edition, they're not getting as many bugs because they're already fixed in the Java Edition. So those are pretty much all the things that are different in the Minecraft Windows 10 and Java Edition, so take it for what it is. I don't really know what to tell you. I don't have a strict one that's better than the other. You have to decide that yourself, so comment, rate, and subscribe. It really helps me keep on going. It tells me what I want to do, what I shouldn't do. It's just really helping if you rate and comment. So, peace out.